Grace gave me this old pen to chew on, but don't worry, she took the ink out. But come on, I like living on the edge. We spent lots of time outside. We spent some time outside, and then I played on my scratchy thing because I was so itchy. We need some recommendations for flea medicine because I hate the one that she makes me use. I played around in the garage, and they got spooked by something, so I came running back in. One of these days, the city is going to pick up these logs that are on the street, because we had that horrible storm literally a month ago, and it's still out. They put a toy in this tissue box, and I had to fight my way out of it. The humans were catching up on their below-deck binge, and I was kinda on my own while playing. They think that I need a sibling to play with, but I don't know. I kinda like being a spoiled only child. But if I did get a baby brother or sister, I think I would warm up to it. Have a great week!